Hello, this is Chris, ambassador with His Compassion Food Bank, and I'm not at the food bank at this moment, but rather I'm out at Florida Detroit Diesels over off Southwest 52nd Avenue, and where this truck sits. This is our sole Thermo King, the refrigerated box truck to help us move products around, and this truck sits here instead of this morning out working picking up and delivering food to our community because of a motor problem. We've all had motor problems, and so does the food bank. This truck will be picked up when we can give them $5,000 for the repairs they made on the motor, and making this short request to someone that hears and with a joyful heart will respond to help participate in that $5,000 bill so that we can get this truck back serving the community. His Compassion Food Bank delivers about 1.8 million pounds of food to Marion County each and every month, delivering to over 80 different facilities, and bi-weekly has food pickup themselves there at the food bank. So please message me below, call me. This is Chris at 266-0208, or call the food bank, and your $2,500, $500 heartfelt donation right now so that we can pick this truck up from Florida Detroit Diesels would be greatly appreciated, and so that we can continue to do what we do. There's over 50 core volunteers, and this is an organization that has no payroll on Fridays, but we do need ongoing supporters to help keep these trucks running, tires, brakes, and in this case a diesel motor repair going. So this is Chris. Quick minute here with a playful request for His Compassion Food Bank, and those that will send me a message or text, and whether I need to run over to your office and pick up a donation of any amount, or you come by my place, just here to try to accomplish this for these folks so we can get our Thermo King back on the road. This is Chris, His Compassion Food Bank. Help us do what we do as a community to love and serve on those in need. Thank you so much for your moment here. Please respond as your heart tells you.